For decades, the A-10 Warthog has ruled the skies as the ultimate tank buster. Built to survive the fiercest ground fire and strike with deadly precision, it's earned the love of ground troops and the fear of its enemies. But as time marches on, the question becomes unavoidable. What comes next? Is the A-11 Black Snake the future of close air support or just a myth cloaked in mystery? The legend of the A-10 Warthog. First introduced in the 1970s, the A-10 Thunderbolt II, lovingly nicknamed the Warthog, was designed with one mission: protect ground troops at all costs. Its titanium armor bathtub protects the pilot, and its GAU-8A Avenger cannon can shred tanks in seconds. A-10 Thunderbolt is a twin-engine close air support aircraft manufactured by Fairchild Republic, now part of Northrop Grumman, for the U.S. Air Force, also known as the Warthog, the flying gun, and the tank buster. The aircraft was used extensively during Operation Desert Storm, in support of NATO operations in response to the Kosovo crisis, as well as in Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan and Operation Iraqi Freedom. The A-10 is a high survivability and versatile military aircraft, popular with pilots for its get-home effectiveness. Known for its ability to fly low and slow, making it ideal for close air support. Carries up to 16,000 pounds of mixed ordnance, including AGM-65 Maverick missiles, bombs, and the powerful 30mm cannon. Proven performance in Desert Storm Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria. Rumors and speculation: the mysterious A-11 Black Snake. In recent years, whispers have emerged from the shadows of a new aircraft built not just to replace the A-10 but to redefine the battlefield. They call it the A-11 Black Snake. Alleged stealth capabilities designed for low observability in hostile zones. Hybrid turbofan engines for greater speed and range. Advanced sensors, AI-assisted targeting, and drone swarm integration. Rumors suggest it's already being tested at secretive facilities like Area 51 or Groom Lake. The A-10 Thunderbolt II was engineered with one uncompromising mission: to survive in the deadliest battle zones and deliver unmatched ground attack support. Its cockpit is encased in a titanium bathtub armor shell, built to shield the pilot from heavy fire, a design feature that has helped it stay airborne even after taking serious damage. At the heart of this aircraft's power lies its signature weapon, the GAU-8A Avenger, a monstrous 30mm Gatling gun capable of firing up to 3D-900 depleted uranium rounds per minute. Designed specifically to penetrate armored vehicles, this 7-barrel cannon earned the A-10 a fearsome reputation on the battlefield, capable of turning enemy tanks into scrap metal in seconds. But raw firepower means little without durability. What makes the A-10 so exceptional is its resilience. Redundant hydraulic systems ensure that even if one system is destroyed, the aircraft can still fly and complete its mission. Self-sealing fuel tanks and foam-filled compartments reduce the risk of explosion when hit, keeping the A-10 in the fight long after most aircraft would be forced down. Its twin-engine configuration mounted high on the fuselage further reduces its heat signature, helping it evade heat-seeking missiles. This smart design makes the A-10 not only powerful but also harder to kill. Throughout decades of service, from the Gulf War to Afghanistan, the A-10 has consistently proven its worth. It's a favorite among ground troops, not just for its precision strikes, but for the life-saving close air support it provides in the most hostile environments. Despite numerous attempts to retire it, from newer jets like the F-16 and F-35 to advanced drone programs, the Warthog continues to fly. Critics claim it's too slow for modern warfare, but those on the ground know better. Time and time again, the A-10's unmatched survivability and battlefield effectiveness have made it indispensable. In the world of modern combat aircraft, the A-10 is a rare breed, brutally effective, stubbornly durable, and deeply respected. It's not just a plane, it's a legend. If the Black Snake exists, its design must blend the best of both worlds: the brutal survivability of the A-10 and the sleek technology of 5th-gen fighters like the F-35. The A-10 is suitable for operation from forward air bases, with short takeoff and landing capability. The aircraft has a long range and high endurance and can loiter in the battle area for an extended period of time. It can land in austere conditions and operate. The maneuverability at low speed and low altitude, below 1,000 feet with 2.4 kilometer visibility, allows accurate and effective targeting and weapon delivery over all terrain types. Composite armor and active protection systems. Foldable wings for deployment from carrier decks or compact runways. AI co-pilots for targeting, threat analysis, and weapons management. Modular weapon bays for precision or heavy payloads. The A-10 aircraft has 11 store pylons, providing an external load capacity of 7,260 kgs. 3 pylons are under the fuselage, and the loads can be configured to use either the centerline pylon or the 2 flanking fuselage pylons. For weapon guidance, the aircraft can be fitted with PAVE-penny laser guidance electronic support measures and a pod installed on the starboard fuselage pylon. Each wing carries 4 store pylons, 3 outboard and 1 inboard of the wheel fairing. The A-10 can carry up to 10 Maverick air-to-surface missiles. The Raytheon Maverick AGM-65 missile uses a variety of guidance systems, including imaging infrared guidance and warheads, which include a high-penetration 57 kg conical-shaped charge warhead. The range is more than 45 km. Imagine this: a faster, stealthier, more lethal version of the A-10 Warthog, an aircraft that combines the raw brute force of the original with cutting-edge avionics, modern stealth features, and devastating new weaponry. Whether it's called the Super A-10, A-10X Warthog, or the rumored A-11 Black Snake, such a plane could redefine close air support for the 21st century. While the military remains silent on any official plans, the idea of an upgraded Warthog continues to spark excitement in aviation circles. After all, legends don't die, they evolve. A modernized A-10 would retain everything that made the original a battlefield icon: the titanium armored cockpit, the ability to absorb damage and keep flying, and of course, the legendary GAU-8A Avenger cannon, still unmatched in its armor-shredding capability. But layered on top would be next-gen avionics, advanced targeting systems, and improved survivability through stealth design and smarter electronic countermeasures. Such a craft would be a nightmare for enemy armor and a dream for frontline troops. But even if the Super A-10 remains a fantasy, one truth stands firm: the original A-10 Warthog isn't leaving without a fight. The A-10, more than just a plane. The Warthog has become more than just a piece of hardware. It's a symbol of resolve, toughness, and close-quarters combat excellence. Time and again, it's proven that being old doesn't mean being obsolete. Every attempt to retire it has been met with resistance, not from bureaucrats, but from the soldiers it protects on the ground. Its rugged frame, armored cockpit, and cannon that can punch through tanks like paper make it one of the most feared and respected aircraft in the sky. As long as there are troops on the ground who need cover, there will be a place for the A-10. Legacy of a legend. Whether the next generation is a Super A-10 or something entirely new, the legacy of the Warthog is secure. It has earned its place in military history through sheer grit and battlefield performance. And as long as we need aircraft that can take a hit and hit back harder, the spirit of the A-10 will live on. What do you think? Is the A-11 Black Snake a real secret weapon or just a myth born of military fantasy? Drop your thoughts below, like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of military aviation, classified tech, and next-gen warfare.